today my topic is phylum Mollusca. The molluscan animals are the animal which are soft-bodied animal. They are mostly living in water. Externally, their body is covered by the help of hard shell, which is made also of calcium carbonate. The shells are of two types. If the shell is made by the help of single plate, single wall, it is called univalve, and if it is covered made by the help of two plates, it is bivalve. So, study of the mollusk is known as malacology, and the study of their shell is called conchology. The as you know, term mollusk is nothing but the soft-bodied animal. The molluscan animals are aquatic, terrestrial. Some animals are parasites. The larvae of fresh animals, which are ectoparasite, is known as Glochidia. Characteristically, the molluscan animals are basically bilaterally symmetrical, but some animals twisted their body and they are spirally symmetrical. Their body is composed of head, visceral mass and food. Body enclosed into cell secreted by the mantle. Generally, the head region develop according to the habit of the animal. Free living active species of land snail and octopus have well developed head region which specialized sense organs. Sessile or burrowing species, that means oyster, clams, possess little or no external visible head. Foot is well developed and muscular, suitable for crawling, for example, in the case of the snail. And they are also useful for swimming in the case of the octopus. Visceral mass varies in shape and size. Sometimes they are twisted in shell, example, snails, while in case of the octopus, they are straight in form. Shell of the mollusk are made by the help of the calcium carbonate, hence they are called calcareous shell. Their color is bright in color. They have various shape, size and thickness. The skeletal is present in the form of the shell. No internal skeleton is present except in some animals. Shell are secreted by mantle. Locomotion performed by the help of waves, generally by muscular action of the foot and sometimes by the help of mantle. Their nutrition is present in the form of the algae, green plants, bacteria and wood. The collection of food takes place by the help of various ways, either by filter feeding mechanism or by use of tentacles as in octopus, or by predation of their predators in the case of snails. The ingestion of the food takes place through mouth, which in some cases is present in the radula, and mastication of the food takes place by the help of radula. The digestion of the food occurs from esophagus, enters into the stomach, then passes to the digestive glands, intestine and anus. The absorption of the food from digestive glands and intestine takes place into the blood. Ejection of the useless substance of the food material is performed through the anus. Respiration in the mollusk takes place by the help of gills or ctenidia or branchiae in most of the mollusks. Some forms by pulmonary sac. That means formation of the gills, and by the help of gills or ctenidia, the respiration takes place. Besides these, it is called pulmonary respiration performed by the pulmonary sac. In case of the terrestrial and freshwater animals, mantle has a lung-like structure helpful for taking air inside the body. Most of the marine mollusks and bivalves have ctenidia, which are special gills developed variously in some mollusks in the case of the marine animals. So, in such a way, respiration takes place in the case of the molluscan animal either by the gill, ctenidia, or bronchi, or some special organ present in the form of the gill-like structure. Now, regulation and excretion of the substance takes place by the help of kidneys. The substance excreted in the form of the ionic substances. In aquatic animals, excretion takes place through mental and thin integument, while in case of the terrestrial animals, kidneys perform the function of excretion and regulation. Now, the distribution of the food material takes place by the help of circulatory system. In case of the mollusk, circulatory system is open type, which shows in some cases the closed type is also seen. Heart is well developed. In several cases, accessory heart is also present near the gill. Main arteries supplied blood to the head, foot, visceral mass, and mental. The nervous system present in the form of the receptors. Eyes are well developed. Inland and molluscans which are present in the terrestrial region, the ganglia are fused to form central brain. The foot is ventral, thick, muscular, helpful for the locomotion, modified for creeping, burrowing, and swimming in the animals where they perform the locomotion by a different way. Foot is modified. The alimentary canal is simple and straight, mostly U-shaped or coiled. Respiratory organs consist of one to many comb-like gills or ctenidia. The excretory system consists of kidney. Nervous system has nervous tissues and ganglia. Sexes are usually separated. So, in such a way, the characters of the molluscan is here completed.